Hi, folks. This is David Engler with Kingdom Strategic here today, and we are talking with Dr. Jason Hansen, who is a dentist in the Colorado Springs area. And Dr. Hansen has been in practice for 20 years, a lot of experience in the dental field, and he's probably seen just about everything you could possibly see in dentistry right now. Dr. Hansen, we really appreciate you taking some time out to talk with us today.
Thank you, David. Nice to be here with you.
Uh-oh. Guess what? What happened with that? All right, we've got to start this over.
Oh no.
Okay, that's all right. We're gonna be able to clip out the beginning of that.
Okay.
The thing flipped twice. It was on me and then on you, and then it flipped back to me automatically. And I don't know why it did that, but that's all right. We'll trim it. Starting over again. Hi folks, this is David Englert here with Kingdom Strategic TV, and today we're talking with Dr. Jason Hansen, who is a dentist in the Colorado Springs area. Dr. Hansen has been in practice for 20 years, has seen pretty much everything you could possibly see in dentistry, and we really appreciate you taking some time. Oh, no, it did it again.
Huh.
Okay, hold on. I've never had Google do this before, but all right. Third time's a charm, right?
Oh,
okay.
We're well versed now.
Hi, folks. This is David Englert here with Kingdom Strategic TV, and today we're talking with Dr. Jason Hansen, who's a dentist in the Colorado Springs area. Dr. Hansen has been in practice for over 20 years and has probably seen just about everything that you can possibly see in dentistry. And Dr. Hansen, we really, really appreciate you taking some time to be with us here today.
It's my pleasure, David. Thanks for having me.
So, Dr. Hansen, if someone was watching this right now and they were looking for a good dentist in their area, where would you even start? I mean, I know myself, if I had to find a new dentist right now, I'm not sure that I would even know where to begin. Can you give us some pointers on that?
You know, a lot of folks get just word of mouth referrals, and that's generally the best source to start with. But now, of course, we have the internet, and people are all over the place with that. And that's another good source to look and find some reputation about different doctors in your area.
Yeah, that's great. You know, so looking online and trying to find someone, if you know, the question I always kind of wondered, and I have a dentist that has been in practice for a number of years. You know, is it better to go out and try to find a dentist that has many years of experience, or you know, the young dentist who just got out of school and has just seen the latest and greatest of everything? Is there going to be a difference with that, or is that just you know, a wrong way of looking at it? Because I've heard people say things like that before. I want the guy fresh out of school because he has the newest, latest, and greatest techniques.
Yeah, that's a great way to think about it. And you know, all dentists, I think, kind of start off on the same level, and we get the general basics. I think probably the best solution for patients in the long run is dentists who look at the mouth as a whole system, and most of that comes with continuing education years and years beyond dental school. So you want to find a dentist who has spent a lot of time in the continuing education arena, continue to educate themselves and learn more about the profession. So true, the new dentists are coming out and have some of the latest and greatest, also don't have a lot of the experience quite yet to put that together. So dentistry for me has always been able to prove the point that you have to wrap your head around it, understand the concepts, and then you have to wrap your hand skills around it. At some point in time, you become comfortable with that, you're able to wrap your heart around it and become passionate about it.
I think one of the things that, and personally myself, I don't have this issue, but I hear a lot of people talk about it, and that's the fear of going to the dentist. So could you maybe talk a little bit about, you know, if I was afraid of a dentist and I had to find a new dentist, how would I go about finding a dentist that could alleviate the fears that I might have?
Yeah. Dentistry has come a long way with some of the adjunctive services we offer, including oral sedation. So there is an organization out there that trains dentists in oral sedation. And you can go to their website. I believe it's called docs.com, and they'll have a listing of dentists who are trained to do or offer oral sedation. Um, to back up on the thought of the full system understanding of the dental process, there are some other organizations like the Dawson Dental Academy who train dentists to look at things from a full system perspective. And they also have a website where you can go and visit and find dentists who've gone through their training and are in your area.
So, Dr. Hansen, I'm sure we've got viewers right now watching us, and I'm sure there's some of them thinking, I really like the way Dr. Hansen is talking about this, and they would like to give you a call and possibly come and see you for the dental work. If they were to do that, what kind of experience would they expect to get coming to your office?
There's a lot of changes going on in the healthcare profession. As we are aware of the new changes coming down with the Obamacare, it's been my opinion that there's a way of looking and treating the disease process, and I think probably our healthcare system is heading that direction where we're treating the disease process, not paying much attention to the health process. So in our practice, we've changed the philosophy, and we are very interested in helping patients achieve their own level of health. So we really don't want to go down the disease process trail and keep fixing things as they break down, as opposed to being able to understand where we're at in the cycle of life, be able to develop a health care plan going forward. We find it's much less expensive to maintain health as opposed to fixing things when they break down. So we pay attention to the health side. Generally, we save money and time and live a full quality of life.
Fantastic. Folks, if you're interested in calling Dr. Hansen and visiting him at his office, we've just put his phone number up on the screen here, and it's area code 719-598-0851, or you can visit his website at hansendental.net. And Dr. Hansen, we really appreciate you spending some time with us today, giving us some really good advice in trying to find a good cosmetic dentist or a good general dentist in the Colorado Springs area. So thank you so much, and folks, look for us next time here with some other great tips and information. Thanks, and we'll see you all soon. Bye bye. Okay.